Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is the Unsupervised Domain Adaptation for the Crime Risk Prediction across cities. This is our abstract. For the city safety and the quality of life for the citizens, the crime risk prediction is essential. However, it is difficult to forecast the crime risk in cities without the label data. Collection of the high quality labeled crime data is not simple for many towns to do because of the governmental laws and the upkeep expenses. Particularly, although some cities may have a lot of label data, other hand have the less. By drawing information from a city with a wealth of data, it has been feasible to create the crime prediction model for the city without labeled crime data. However, the challenge is made worse by the inconsistent availability of the pertinent background data between cities. For overcoming this, crime happens in India area by area, develop a project to find which area has the maximum number of crimes in India and also in which year has it in all states, and also use the ML algorithm to predict the crime data prediction in that places and also calculate the accuracy of the SVM algorithms. Objective is the crime rate prediction for the future days. Improve the accuracy is the most relevant algorithm in machine learning. This is a system architecture. The first one is the crime data collected from the different states as well as the different statistics. From that, we want to select the data and then pre-process the data and split the data and extract the features of the prediction of the future crimes, and then classification, and then prediction, performance analysis. In that classification only we use the ML algorithms, and this is a flow. First one is the from the collected data we want to select the data and then pre-processing the data by the label encoding and the deal with the null values, and then data splitting. In that data splitting we have to split the data as the train data and the test data as the ratio 0.2. Feature extraction. Here we use the crime data in India dataset, so we use the different crimes as the feature and then finally predict as the total crimes. In classification we use the ML algorithms as the SVM and DT. SVM is the support vector machine. It is mainly used for the classification performance, and decision tree is also used for that. And then is the prediction. In that prediction we want to predict the future crime of that particular year or particular state or district. And then in performance analysis we want to test our ML algorithms accuracy, and then confusion matrix, and then classification report. This is a use case diagram from the user. What is the step-by-step procedure? What we are done in this system is the use case diagram. First one is the data selection. From the collected data we want to select the particular data and then pre-process it by the label encoding, and then remove the null values, and then data splitting. In the data splitting we want to split the data as train and test. And then in the features feature extraction we want to extract the features as we want to classify the crime data. Classifications. In that classification ML algorithms is to classify the crime data in that particular state. Performance analysis, accuracy, classification report, and the confusion matrix. Accuracy for that algorithm what we are used for the classification, and then classification report. In that one has the precision, recall, and then F1 score. Finally, confusion matrix is shown as the matrix format. This is a ER diagram. From the start point we want to first step is the load data, and then data selection and pre-process it, split it, and then extract the features and classify it, and then final one is the performance analysis, accuracy, auto score, and then classification report. This is a sequence diagram. Sequence diagram, we divide our process as 4 sequence. First is the starting, and then next is the pre-processing. Next one is the classification. The final one is the performance. After the starting, we want to select the data and pre-process it. In pre-processing, we want to done the remove null values and label encoding. And in classification, we done the ML algorithms. Performance for the performance, we want to calculate the accuracy for that algorithms. What we are using for the classification. After executing our program, our project looks like this. This is a crime data analysis from the 2001 to 2012 data. From here we want to select the particular state. Which state we want to search it. Here our the particular state which we selected, it shows the crime data. And then here is our district. Likewise, our particular state and the particular district we want to select the data, and then in which year we want to which year. This is from for the 2002 we want to see that crime data, and then this is a data analysis. Data analysis means which state has the highest and which state has the lowest. From the state wise is the top 10, and then this is the year wise. And then overall data analysis means overall the whole 2001 to 2012, and then also for whole data, whole state. Here wise we classify the crime data, and then year wise. After that we want to apply our algorithms. First one is our SVM algorithm. That apply the algorithms, we got the accuracy 95%. This is our overall procedure for our process.